guys, I hope you guys are doing really well. And today I have come to Karjat at Jiten's grandparents' farmhouse and with my parents. And this place is so beautiful. Let me show you guys. So it's morning time, and this is how it looks. I have the pool here. My mom is actually sunbathing over there. Let me show you more of this place. It's an old farmhouse that his grandparents had built, and it's really beautiful. Can you hear the birds? हां दाखवते पण ते दिसणार नाही ग. There are these birds. My mom says they hang out in seven in a group basically. Like seven birds hang out together. एक मिनट मॉम. This is so beautiful. Going to take 2 minutes. Wow, look at the sunlight. So we're heading towards the river. Look at these butterflies, so gorgeous. So my mom says that this is Ullas Nadi. I don't know, I'm not sure. Wow, look at these flowers. This is so beautiful. I can smell something really pleasant here. Maybe some plant. I don't know. I can't recognize. Sweet, clear water. Do you can you see those droplets? Dew droplets? So touch me not plant. You touch this. Going back towards his house. Oh, these puppies. So we came here yesterday and we were making chicken tandoori and they were all over us.
तर डोमेन
Everyone is
घ्यायचं असेल ना
waiting for
वी हॅव टू
that.
पे समथिंग. आणि होस्टिंग जे आहे ना पर मंथ किंवा पर इयर असं असतं ते. तर नेमकं काय करायचं, व्हॉट इज अ सुटेबल प्रोसेस फॉर दॅट. डोमेन पहिलं घेणार मी. डोमेन घेतलं तर मी होस्टिंग कुठे करू, म्हणजे माझं त्याच्यात कंटेंट.
They were very cute. Oh, अरे अरे अडकणार तुम्ही. They're pretty happy seeing us. Seems that way. Come from the main gate. Come. So excited are they? Hi. Hello. Oh, they're not excited to meet me. Mom, they're excited to meet you. So we fed them yesterday. That's why they're very happy, I think. Hi. Hi, Pillu. Hello. I want to touch them, but we did not carry enough soap yesterday. तो पण कमी नाही आहे छोटूसा डॉग. So the weakest one is attacking the um, the other two today, but yesterday it was completely opposite. So I felt really bad for him and I fed him a lot. And today he's fighting with the others. Their siblings, so काय घातलं त्याने तोंडात. See, this weak one is, I feel so bad for it. Came all over anymore to see. हाँ सही. Hi, काय झालं? Why are they eating gobar? मम्मी गोबर का खाता है. What are they doing with it? खाता है. छी. No, it's poop. It's dung. It's cow dung. They're eating cow dung. What? मम्मी यांना चिकन घालायला पाहिजे. I feel so bad for them. We'll have to feed them. Hey buddy, you join them. I'm going to go and feed them. Poor doggers. So I'm trying to figure out if they're actually eating and basically swallowing the dung, or they were just trying to clean their teeth. Can you guys please comment and tell me, why are these dogs trying to eat this dung? If there's some reason that probably I don't know. Hey, why are you eating cow dung, huh? And they ran towards my mom. They're so cute and Feel like taking them with me. Oh, there's someone is arriving from there. Come here, come here. Cuties. Hey, buddy. You came back. You came back. I think it's a female. Come, buddy, come. It's a baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Dana tila Dana. Come here.
नाही
कोणाला देऊ
छोट नाही त्याला
मोठं
हात चावेला.
उगीच बोंबलाल
Dropped it.
या
पाडलं तिने पप्पा त्यांनी
कोणी खाल्लं मग
तिने खाल्लं
साला हात आळशी आहे बघा आता ही लोक जंप मारतात काय
पप्पा येतो त्यांचा आज.
बघा थांब त्याला देतो थांब
खतम.
उभा राहा उभा राहा बघा तो वाट बघतो का
Ooh. Chalo, it's done. Very good. पन्ना की तमन्ना है कि हीरा मुझे मिल जाए, चाहे मेरी जान जाए, चाहे मेरा दिल जाए. पन्ना की तमन्ना है कि हीरा मुझे मिल जाए, चाहे मेरी जान जाए, चाहे मेरा दिल जाए. हाय रे ओ ला रो रो.
हीरा तो पहले ही किसी और का हो चुका, किसकी मद भरी आंखों में खो चुका. यादों की बस धूल बन चुका दिल का फूल.
सीने पे मेरा तुम जो हाथ खिल जाए, चाहे मेरी जान जाए, चाहे मेरा दिल जाए.
पन्ना की तमन्ना है कि हीरा मुझे मिल जाए, चाहे मेरी जान जाए, चाहे मेरा दिल जाए. अरे